Hello everyone, I am Blossom of MZC second year. Today I want to tell about the poem Flower. This was written by Alfred Tennyson and he was born in 1809 and he was called as Poet Laureate after William Wordsworth, and he was a great poem in the Victorian era, and he was inspired by the uh, rural England and its beauty, and he has a great lyricism and a rare rhythm with a rare rhythm. And his famous poems are the Lotus Eaters, the Ulysses, and the Memoriam. And the flower poem is he called this as my little fable, and he starts this poem with a word in the poem. He says that um, if a new thing comes to the community or to the society, they won't accept it or they will discourage it. So he starts with the poem with the lines that he casted a seed in the earth and it has blossomed, and many people said that it's a weed and it's a useless thing. And when those seeds were robbed by the robbers, then it is planted around the states and around many countries, and it has become a famous thing. After that, all people has sown the seed, and it has been famous in every state and every country all over the place. Later, again, if the thing has been famous and it is common to everyone, then again it is called as a weed. So he tells a small message in this poem, that is, people don't encourage new things, and after it has been famous or it has been taken by everyone, then they will again call it as a weed. Thank you.